Hello everyone. Today we are from Team 2 and we're gonna share our project benchmarking that smart about conventional control Cartesian machine. Alright. This project was supervised by Mr. Soistiano as our project manager. So here's our team. We have 5 members. Myself Iskandar, Feren Putri, Arga Kennedy, Nisa Cahya, and Akbar Rizky. For today's presentation, this is what we're going to talk about. We'll start from progress and objective, then team roles and responsibilities, temporary result, constraint, knowledge gain, and lastly, 7-week plan. Alright, let's talk about progress of this project benchmarking. On this slide, we're showing the progress we've achieved up to the benchmark. We've completed the project planning and present the implementation plan. Both the mechanical and electrical teams already understand the workflow and have started procuring and verifying the required components. For the mechanical side, we have finished designing the acrylic parts, fabricated the component, and assembled the main frame. Alright, this the component we have achieved, and this the acrylic design. Alright, the objective will presented by Farah.
Okay, next objective to design and build a Cartesian machine that move on to axis X and Z using a conventional control system to integrate mechanical and electrical components into a functional system to complete the project through mechanical assembly, electrical installation, and final finishing based on the work list to enhance teamwork, problem solving, and time management skill during project implementation.
Okay, now we're moving on to the team roles and responsibilities. The first one we have Iskandar as the team leader. The second one we have Feren as mechanical and reports. The third one we have myself as mechanical, and then Anissa as electrical and reports. And then last we have Akbar as electrical. To explain each of these parts, the mechanical parts, we designed the acrylic parts, we did the fabrication, and then we assembled the main frame of the machine. And we also ensured that the machine was sturdy and good to go. For the electrical parts, we installed the wiring system for the control panel, and then we made sure that the wiring is tidy and good to go. And for the reports, we created documentation videos to put on our project. Next, here are the temporary results. We only assembled 50% of the mainframe of the machine for now, and we're going to continue with the project. Next, here are the challenges or constraints that we faced during the making of the project. The first one is delayed material shipment. Some of the materials or components were delayed during the making of the project, which is bad because if we don't have the components, we can't continue with the project, so we have to do something else. Second is lacking precision. Due to the tolerance of the laser cutting machine, this causes the acrylic cuts to be less precise. Next,
Next, knowledge gained. In our conventional control Cartesian mission project, we gain valuable knowledge and experience during the first 7 weeks. First, in communication skill, we learn how to work effectively in a team and practice public speaking through group discussion and presentation. Next, in 3D design, we design several components using on-shape software to support our project development. For power tools and machine, we gain hands-on experience operating tools such as the laser cutting machine, drilling machine, and grinder. In the mechanical aspect, we learn more about the fabrication and mechanical assembly process of our Cartesian machine. And lastly, our critical thinking improves as we learn to solve problems and apply practical knowledge during 7-week project implementation. Overall, this experience gave us valuable skills and strong foundation for the next stage of the project.
Okay, I'm going to explain our next 7-week plan. At week 8, we are going to design the aluminum subfolder, and then we are going to design also the pencil holder, and then we are going to print them using the 3D printer, and then we are going to continue to assemble the mainframe of the machine. At week 9, we are going to continue with the electrical installation, including the wiring and other electrical components. At week 10 to 11, we are going to perform the system testing step by step to ensure all parts are functioning properly. At week 12, we are going to carry out some troubleshooting if any problem occurring and complete the finishing process. At week 13, we are going to complete all administrative tasks and perform on the SIA PBL website. And then we are going to prepare for the final presentation. At week 14, we are going to conduct the final project presentation, and then we are going to submit the final report, and then we are going to complete the documentation.
All right, that's all from our presentation. Thanks for watching and see you guys.